Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with admin privileges and a saved workspace. This prevents interruption when Windows restarts network adapters. First, make sure you've closed unnecessary apps, and if available, plug in Ethernet so you keep connectivity. Then open Start, type Settings, choose Network and Internet, and land on Status. Once done, you're in the central control area where Windows lists active adapters. This step focuses on access and safety, so the reset won't interrupt important transfers or unsaved work. Now perform the actual reset. Scroll to Network Reset at the bottom of the status page and click it. You'll see explanatory text. When ready, click Reset Now and confirm. Windows will notify you the PC will restart within 5 minutes. This action removes and reinstalls network adapters and restores network components to defaults, which is why saved Wi-Fi profiles are cleared. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy, because you'll need to reconnect after the reboot. After the system restarts, sign back in and open Wi-Fi settings to reconnect using your network password. This verifies the reset worked. If you still see issues, make sure to check Device Manager for network adapter driver updates or reinstall drivers from the manufacturer. Outdated drivers often cause persistent failures. As a final quick fix, run Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings Troubleshoot to collect diagnostics and apply automated repairs. This step can resolve typical post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.